Hey guys, what's up? This is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. Welcome to yet another Maximus CryptoBot video. Got a news update for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 trading execution and we're going to review the results together. And also, I'm going to answer a few common questions that I'm still receiving from email especially. So one of the common question is, what's the best trading plan for a beginner, or let's say if this is the first time you use the Maximus CryptoBot, what should you do as a new user? And also, and another question that I commonly get is, how much do I typically earn using Maximus CryptoBot on a daily basis? So if you guys are interested to know the answers to this question, please watch the entire video and remember to subscribe to my channel if you guys have yet to subscribe to the Sentinel Trading channel. Alright, so I hope this video is useful for you guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, if you guys have not heard about Maximus CryptoBot trading software, is essentially a trading signal software that gives you trading signals for both cryptocurrency and Forex pairs. And recently they have updated their platform, and right now it provides up to 32 different pairs for both crypto and Forex pairs. So if you want to know which cryptocurrency pair, it includes like Monero, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Dash, and it is against both USD and Euro, and other pairs would cover the typical Forex pairs. So if you guys are looking to trade the cryptocurrency market or Forex market but need help with some trading signal, well, this software is for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for appropriate trading signals, and I'm going to record the trade execution for you guys. Yeah, so be right back in a bit. Oh yeah guys, before I start, just remember that if you guys want to check the Maximus CryptoBot software out, please use the link in the description box below, because I've heard that there's a copy version of the website that provides a totally different software. So make sure you guys check out the Maximus CryptoBot using the link in the description box below or in the comments. Alright, let us begin. Hey guys, it seems that we have a signal for today, and today, just as a reminder, it's the 14th of April, right? Okay, there are a couple of signals that will be appearing since there's a new feature on the Maximus CryptoBot. They added quite a lot of assets, and today is the 14th of April, so I intend to do a 1 day, a less than a day trade for today, and only one trade and as well. So I'm probably gonna do an XMR USD, which is a Monero USD pair. I've never done it before. So as for today, probably be the last episode that I will be doing one trade at a time. I'm probably going to do 2 trades or 3 trades at a time, starting from the next episode onwards. So remember, if you guys are not the subscriber to my channel yet, so please remember to subscribe to my channel for more future videos on cryptocurrency trading software, or also maybe Forex trading software. And just as long as you are interested in investing in cryptocurrency, my channel will probably be useful. All right. So okay, so let's go ahead and do the Monero USD trade right now. As for the other Ethereum Euro pair, the expiry is about, or the trend expiration is about 18. That's 4 days later, and today is the April 4th, about 1 a.m. So this is the closest to me, 14th of April and 4:30. So let's go ahead and do this one first. Alright guys, so you can see my balance down there is 998.85, and right now it's about 1:06 a.m. So based on the signal, I supposed to open a Monero USD position for a sell, and hold it until 4:30 a.m., which is about 3.5 hours from now. So okay, I found Monero USD here. Alright, so I'm going to click down for a sell. Okay, then I'll check my investment amount is 50, and I'll click invest. Alright, so under the open position right now, you can see my balance is reduced by 50 because I've invested $50 in this trade. So this trade is open right now, and right now it's about 1:07 a.m. and I'm going to hold this position for 3.5 hours and check back later on, and hopefully this trade goes along my favor. Hopefully the price goes lower from 198.65.
hopefully goes as low as possible to earn me some profits. All right, so let's wait for this trade to fluctuate, and I'll be right back again. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, right now it's about 1 p.m. the next day. Apparently I couldn't wake up at 4:30 to close my position. But the good news is if you look at my close position right now and the latest one, I've got $100 return from my $50 investment. That means I've actually earned a $50 profit. So and also you can see my balance right now is 1048.95 from the 998. So based on the chart, you can see that the price for hold on, this is a BTC. Let me go to Monero USD. Yep, the price has actually fluctuated. I've entered the position at 198 and it went all the way down to about 188, 190. So the signal was apparently correct in a sense, because it did call the trading setup perfectly. It's just that the problem is when I executed my trade yesterday, I forgot to change my take profit to usually I set it to 250 or maybe 150, but I left it at default of $50. So what happened was the trade actually automatically closed at a profit of $50, and therefore it gives me a return of $100. So it it's still a profit, yeah, but just minor mistake. So I hope you guys can actually always check your trade before you click invest. Yesterday was pretty late at night, so I guess human error are bound to happen. So at the end of the day, I think right now it's still a good trade. I'll be waiting for another trading signals for to record for you guys, and um, as a first trade of the day, it's still a profit, so I'm pretty happy about it. All right, so stay tuned, guys.
Hey guys, we got our second signal now. It seems like the platform is only offering one live signal right now, so let's go ahead and do this. It is a buy signal for Bitcoin USD that is going to expire. The trend is going to expire at about 16th of April at 5 a.m. And today, oh, we have another one, which seems like we may have an entry for Dash Euro for the 18th of April. As I mentioned, today is the 14th of April, and it's going to be a long-term trade. It's about approximately 2 days trade, since today is still dated at the 14th of April. So let's go ahead and do this Bitcoin USD first, before we do any longer term trade. Perhaps for the next episode, I probably do 2 or 3 trading signal at a time. But for now, I'm going to stick to my original plan, which is one trade a day. And for you guys that are just starting out, you guys should totally just do one trade per day, just to test out the signal and choose what kind of uh, expiry that you guys prefer to trade. Maybe a 1 day trade or 2 day trade or 3 days trade. um, for those that are just starting out, I recommend you guys not to do less than a day trade, because the daily fluctuation may not be sufficient for you guys to earn enough distance to actually cover your spread. But um, that would still be um, entirely up to you. It's just my suggestion that you guys should do a longer term trade. So anyway, so if you guys check out my balance right now, it has grown from 998 to 1048.95. I've already officially crossed my $1,000 mark, so which is really good news. Okay, so enough talking for now. Let's go ahead and execute the Bitcoin USD buy signal right now.
Alright guys, so you can see as my trading platform, I have BTC USD right here. So I'm going to click invest and then click up for buy position and check my details. I'm going to put take profit 150 this time, and $50 there, and I'll click invest. Okay, so under the open position, you can see my trade is already open. So based on the signal, I'm supposed to buy Bitcoin USD and hold it until the 16th of April. And as you can see, the execution time for today under the open position is the 14th of April. So okay, so let's check back on this trade on the 16th of April. All right. Oh yeah, but since the signal is on the 16th of April, but early in the morning, like say about 5 a.m., I probably gonna check on this position, maybe on at the end of 15, and probably close it there if I'm already in profit. So I'm gonna make sure I put an alarm and check back this position again. All right, so stay tuned, guys.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. So, as you guys can see, the trade I execute about a day ago, and actually, in fact, right now is 4 a.m. of the 16th of April, and I opened this position at 14th of April at about 1 p.m. So I supposed to close it at about end of 15th of April, but I kind of overlooked and I missed my alarm. So thank God I actually woke up earlier early enough to actually spot this trade, and I gotta close it right now. So but the good news is, if you take a look at the price, let's see, yep, I've entered at 7972, and right now the price is about 8,300, and right now it's giving me a return of $101 from a $50 investment. So pretty much another good trade setup from the Maximus CryptoBot. So if you guys want to check out the charts, it's about here. I've entered about this arrow over here at the about mid of 14, and then right now it's about close to 16 already. I supposed to leave it for about 24 hours, but I've totally forgot to actually close it about here. Let's see, but thank God it's just 4 hours after. Could have earned a little bit more profits, but it's not still all good since it's profiting. So anyway, so let's go ahead and close this position right now. All right, so now my balance is standing at $1,100, and I've got another close position. Here you go. This is my latest close position, a BTC USD position that opened at 14th of April and closed at about 16th of April, just slightly above 16th of April. So 24, one of the 24-hour signals that I've tried for Bitcoin USD. So overall, still pretty good. I've been testing this software for a couple of months now, and Maximus CryptoBot has proven to be highly effective in giving me crypto signals and as well as Forex signal. Right over here, you can see one successful trading setup for Forex signals. However, I do prefer to trade Forex in a much longer time frame, simply because the volatility for Forex pairs is much lower. Anyway, okay, let's move on.
All right, so I've also received one question that a lot of new traders been asking me lately. So they were asking like, what should I do and what's the best plan that they should approach, especially if they have only deposited like $250, which is the minimum amount. So I would suggest that they, like you guys, only execute one trade per day, especially for those that did deposit 250, and even if you deposit more, just test the signal with one trade per day until you get comfortable using and reading the signals, and also take trading positions that are more than 3 hours from the time you are planning to execute. So 1 day or 2 day expiry, or the date that are 1 day after your current time. So I'm referring to the signals that you see from Maximus CryptoBot. Typically, they have the asset name as well as a date and time over there. So if it is like maybe a day or 24 hours after your current time, I think it's ideal, because the price fluctuation will be enough to actually make significant enough difference to have a profit. All right. So and the next tip would be, do a minimum investment amount if you are just starting out, especially with a stop loss of no more than your invested amount. So if you are investing like $25, please do not lose more than $25 in one trade, or ideally we would prefer to lose half, like maybe 1250 would be my maximum loss that I would allow, but not all brokers would have that setting. So most of it would be like, if you invest $25, you will assume that your stop loss will still be at $25, so you will not lose more than $25. However, if you do have the freedom to set your stop loss more than your invested amount, so please do not do that. So and lastly, you should check your Maximus uh, CryptoBot's trading signal and only take in new signals. So in order to check whether the signals are new on the trading signals page, there's no other way to actually know whether it's new unless you check it regularly. So I typically check the platform every hour or every half an hour. So like when you just logged in to the trading platform, you've seen, let's say, a signal for Bitcoin USD, and let's say the next 1 hour you log in and you see the exact same signal, and you shouldn't take that signal. So you only take signals that is like just pop up on your screen, or those signal that you haven't seen an hour ago, or maybe half an hour ago. All right. So I hope this clears this question out. All right, guys. So I've already compiled all my trades so far. Since the the trade history from Trader Online is a little bit inconvenient to actually check, since I can only look at 3 rows at a time. So anyway, so these two trades are what I've executed in this episode. So one is the BTC USD and one is the Monero USD. So I started trading. If you guys haven't been following my channel, I've started this trading account with only $500 way back in um, March 21st, and now it's been April. So it's based on the how my balance has grown, let's say from 500 all the way to about, let's see, right now 1100.23. You can see on the red column is the trades that are lost. I've pretty much been very selective on trade, but in terms of only doing one trade per day. Um, Also, it's been working very well for me. So if you guys want to know how much I can earn daily, so we can't really say exactly how much we can earn every day trading through Maximus CryptoBot, but as you can see the profits over here, you can average it out. For Forex, I've mentioned before in one of my episodes that the earnings from Forex is much lower, simply because the percentage change or maybe daily change is way lower than cryptocurrency. So um, Forex daily change can be about 0.01 to 0.03 per day, whereas cryptocurrency can actually go from like 1% up to 4% change. So because of that massive difference alone, the volatility in cryptocurrency allows a much better money making opportunity. So you can see most of it are cryptocurrency. So like BTC USD, I've earned $50 from one trade from a $50 investment. I've started with a $25 investment over here on my first week. So you can see my profit for this. I've lost 40 cents. ETH USD, I've earned $6. But this ETH USD gave me a $40 profit, simply because there was a massive spike on that day itself. So it's pretty hard to actually say how much I can earn daily. But you can see it ranges from maybe a couple of dollars to maybe um, pretty good. I think on average I can get about half of what I've invested, or maybe if on good days I can get about the same amount as what I've invested. For example, I've invested 50, I can actually earn a $50 profit. So, well, like I say, it all depends on the market situation on and also the market's volatility. So it's not every day that we can earn a lot of money. It kind of depends on the market situation as well. So I hope that these charts can kind of explain how what you can expect while trading in the markets. And also, it's not really good to actually chase a target per day, like you must earn $100 every day. That doesn't work in trading, because we are pretty much slave to the market. um, we only make money when the markets allow us to make money, and how much we earn also depends on the market. All right, so I hope this clarifies that question for you guys. Alright, guys, and that's all for this episode. I know this episode is quite long. I was trying to address some of the common questions and also update you guys on how Maximus CryptoBot is working out for me. Right now, in general, it's still working out very well. My balance is definitely growing as time goes by, so it's all good. So remember, if you guys want to trade the cryptocurrency or Forex with the help of a trading signal, check out this Maximus Crypto Bots in the description box below, and make sure you use that link to avoid the copy version of the software. All right, so I hope this video helped you guys. So till next time, guys, so trade safe.